What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody is doing well. Hope you're having a terrific day. We're going to go over Bitcoin. I'm going to go over, in my opinion, what I would think would need to happen if we're going to have a bullish reversal. Remember, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada who's currently in Africa. So currently we're sitting at 32,421. We're up about 2% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 608 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 20.07 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the weekly. So what I would like to see is for the bulls to step up, and by the end of the week, this candle will close on Sunday, is for the candle to get back above the 50 EMA, 55 EMA. If we saw about a 5% move to the upside, up to about 34,000, that would be a strong sign, in my opinion, that the bulls do not want to stay underneath the 55. They're interested in pushing the price up and getting back above the EMAs and breaking out of this falling wedge, which we're also going to get into. So let's pop over to the daily chart. So you can see we've had the most significant breakout from our falling wedge pattern that we've seen since the falling wedge started here back in June. However, as I mentioned yesterday, if we start getting rejected by the 20 EMA, what can happen is we come up, we get rejected, we have a fake out, and we fall right back down. You can see, guys, the volume is descending. We're continuing to have descending volume. As we scroll back, you can see the volume has just been getting lower. We've had large spikes, but the volume has slowly been decreasing. And if that continues, what will happen is we'll get rejected and we will fall back into this pattern. And once again, we'll see a fake out, like we've been seeing many fake outs for 2 months. So I may enter a small long position. However, before entering any sort of larger position, I need to see us get back above the 20 EMA on the daily. And I would honestly love to see us get back above 34K, which I think is a key level, which I've dropped in right here, about 34.5K. We did have some support in this area, as well as quite a bit of resistance, and we would break out from our descending channel that we've been in for 2 months. You can see we're coming up to test it once again, but as you can see here, we've had so many fake outs. You can see we broke above right here. We had this massive fake out. We've had many fake outs right here as well, right here as well, and we also had a small one right here. So the probability of that happening once again is definitely something that you should take into consideration when you do see a little bit of breakout. If we start to break above and we start to backtest it as support, you want to see that increase in volume. Otherwise, once again, another fake out and we fall back down. Now, the bulls have been continuing to push the price up and not letting it come back down to 28K, which is a good signal, in my opinion. The bulls are definitely putting in some effort to continue here on this bull run, but we need some stronger signals, and we also need a much larger increase in volume. And I think 34K, around 34.5 will be a key level to get back above here. And if you do see us get back above this level, I'll quickly put it back onto the daily. You can see we'll be well above the 20 EMA, and the 55 will start to come down. If we can get back above the 55, that's when you'll see that reversal in the trend. So we're going to look at it here on the 1 hour chart. So you can see we're just flirting with the golden ratio at 32.498, the golden ratio. You can see we broke above it, but we fell right back down below it. So if you do see us start to break above the golden ratio, and we'd also be breaking this trend line of resistance, that would be another strong signal that we will see that continuation if it is backed up by some volume. If we hold that support and we continue, we break the 786, we can head up to that 34K previous swing high, and we have the 1.272 extension at 36.297. Now, if you want to enter some long positions, do your thing. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. But I think I'm still going to wait here to see us get back above the 20 EMA here on the daily, as we are having a bit of breakout, but I want that confirmation before I start entering some long trades, because if we get rejected, we fall back into this pattern, then you have those opportunities to go short once again for Bitcoin. If we quickly look at the DXY, we have fallen back down into our pattern. We are having the bearish divergence, as I mentioned yesterday. So I would love to see the DXY roll over to come back and test this level of support, because I think that would be the breakout we would need for Bitcoin to really get back above the EMAs here, Where's my daily chart? To get back above the EMAs, to have a strong breakout from our falling wedge pattern, and would show a strong side of continuation, and that the bulls are back in control and we're going to reverse the trend. So keep an eye on the DXY. What you want to see is it starts to hit resistance and we roll, because if it continues to break out from this rising wedge, then of course, as you know, the price of Bitcoin will fall. So just a quick little update. And as I said, I will wait for confirmation. I do want to see us get back above the 20 EMA here on the daily before I enter my long trades. But you trade as you'd like to. I'm not your financial advisor. But if you'd like to learn to long and short the market and make money on the way up and the way down, please check out my full length tutorial on Bybit and sign up for over $600 in bonuses for signing up through my referral. You get $50 just for making your first deposit within the first 48 hours. Follow me on Instagram, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.